Drug abuse statistics, Orange County Drug and Alcohol Rehab Center, Crescent Moon Recovery LLC. Drug abuse statistics and addiction research. Drug abuse can lead to behavioral and biological health problems that impact individuals, families, communities, and entire communities. The National Institute on Drug Abuse is one group that is leading the charge in understanding drug abuse in America. Substance abuse costs. The United States is facing a huge economic burden from the abuse of prescription and illicit drugs, which costs $137 billion annually in direct health care costs. Statistics on prescription drug abuse. The United States is facing a rising problem with prescription drug abuse and non-medical use. Prescription drug overdoses are the leading cause for drug overdose death in the United States. There were 33,175 deaths from accidental drug overdoses in 2012. 53% of these were due to prescription and illicit pharmaceutical use. 72% of deaths due to prescription drugs were caused by opioids. This highlights the terrible consequences of opioid misuse and abuse. Alcohol abuse statistics. Even though alcohol is legal, it is still considered a drug that has a high risk of abuse. The most prevalent and expensive substance abuse disorder in America is alcohol abuse. Driving under the influence, DUI statistics. The leading cause of motor vehicle deaths is still alcohol. In 2011, 9,878 people died in crashes involving alcohol, 31%, compared to the 10,019 deaths that occurred in 2002. This continues a trend that began in 1980 when 60% of all vehicle deaths were due to alcohol. Youth substance abuse. Although youth drug and alcohol use has decreased, prescription drug abuse has not. The rate of ADHD medication misuse among high school seniors has remained stable at around 8.8%. Although prescription drug use has declined or remained stable, teens are less concerned about the potential dangers of using prescription stimulants. Substance abuse treatment. According to SCA in 2009, 23.5 million Americans required treatment for an illegal drug or alcohol abuse problem. Good news, public health efforts seem to have decreased ER visits involving illegal drugs, alcohol, and underage drinking. Contrary to other positive news about substance abuse, significant drop of alcohol-related fatalities, decreases in teen drug/alcohol abuse and other trends mentioned above, the rate of pharmaceutical abuse seems to be on the rise and could quickly become the biggest public health problem in the country. Are you ready to take control of your life? Conclusion. Over the last 30 years, statistical knowledge of alcohol and drug abuse has made great strides towards the prevention and treatment. Americans are more likely to die from drug addiction than ever because only 1 in 10 people who have a substance abuse problem get the help they need.